Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We are going to be making easy crock pot baked chicken. I have never made this before, so we're going to be doing it today. So here you see me getting my crock pot liner ready because you do not want to make anything without a liner inside. This is the extra large bags. So I've already had my chicken marinating overnight, and today I'm just gonna be pouring it into my crock pot. Inside of this bag I got about 2 pounds of chicken legs. I got some bacon grease, and I got some garlic and olive oil. So now I'm just putting my onion powder, some everything but the salt mix in there, black pepper, and some chicken seasoning. And I'm just going to sprinkle all of that over my chicken. And I got lemon pepper going into the pot. And we got some soy sauce going into the pot. And I'm just going to sprinkle that. Now, you got to have paprika. So one thing I want to say, you can add what you want to add. Right here, I'm just adding some vegetable oil because I ran out of olive oil. But you do want to have some sort of oil that will help spread out the seasoning on the chicken. So I'm just using my gloved finger to spread out the spices. And now I'm going to situate my drumsticks how I want them in the crock pot. So I did not want them to just be laying on top of each other. So I'm going in and I'm strategically placing them to where they can all get done and they can kind of crisp up like I like them. So I hope y'all try this. If you have never had crock pot chicken, please do it. I don't even know how the results is going to come out, but the way this is smelling, I know it's going to be the bomb. So I'm just going to finish placing these chicken legs how I want them. And then we're going to go to the next phase. My chicken has been cleaned. Some of the fat has been cut off. You definitely want to clean your chicken before you do anything with it. So the next step is I'm finna take some butter. Anybody who know anything about baking, you gotta have some sort of butter, oil, or something. That's gonna help give it that golden brown color that everybody likes to see on baked chicken. It's gonna kind of give it like a slightly crispy crust. I didn't add any baking powder in it to get that crust, but I want the golden color. So I got some pieces of butter that I'm just dropping in, and I'm now putting the pot into the actual case of the crock pot. Now, I want to tell y'all something. I had to improvise because I don't know where the lid to my crock pot is. So I had to put tightly some foil on my crock pot. That way the steam can stay in. So if you lost your top, if you broke it, use foil. So now the moment of truth. We about to take this foil off and see this beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that color, y'all. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Now, I kept this on 6 hours high. And y'all, I'm so satisfied with the color. So now let's check how tender these legs are. I can tell you right now, they are, they are falling off the bone. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all, this is the best crock pot baked chicken I have ever had. I haven't even made this before, but I've had a lot of baked chicken. And y'all, this is the bomb. I had a foil pan over there because I thought I was going to have to place it up under the broil. But no, as you see, I just got my Tupperware container right there to the right side. And this is going to cool down and go in the refrigerator. I don't even need to put it up under the broil. Y'all, look at that meat just falling off. Oh my gosh, do you know what kind of sandwich I can make with that? Lord have mercy. Get me some mayonnaise and tomatoes and some romaine lettuce and some cheese. Y'all, look, I can't even stop eating. I can't even stop pinching off the drumstick, y'all. It's so good. Oh my gosh, yes. Y'all, I really appreciate you stopping by and watching my videos. I hope you do try this method. And y'all have yourself a good day and stay safe. Bye.